Welcome to the review of my course. My course follows a structured approach, starting with explaining the core concepts. Then we dive deeper into each concept, with concrete examples. After that, we move into hands-on demos. If there are problems or pitfalls, we cover real examples and their solutions. Then we go into the code and explain the implementation in detail. Finally, we run the code and set up the data to observe the behavior. Regarding testing tools, the course includes 5 tools. 2 of them, Java Microbenchmark Harness and JCStress, are already integrated via the pom.xml file. There are also UI-based tools. In addition, there are 2 tools provided directly by the JDK. Overall, the course contains around 200 demo examples. Thank you. I hope you will enjoy it. See you again.